Hello, welcome to Lane Medical Library's ORCID Quickstart video. In this brief video, you'll learn what an ORCID ID is, how to claim your ORCID ID, how to link to your SUNet, how to add information to your ORCID record, and one way to start using your ORCID ID today. An ORCID ID is a unique 16-digit identifier that is used to distinguish you and track your scholarly work. It is an important tool for name disambiguation too. It works just like a social security number, only non-confidential. You should only have one ORCID ID throughout your entire research career. This means that even if you changed institutions or fields, your ORCID ID remained under your control. Your ORCID ID links to your ORCID record, which is a dynamic digital CV. It includes information about your employment, education, scholarly works, and a brief biography. The more robust your ORCID record is, the more useful it will be. The great news is you can transfer your information from other platforms into ORCID, and you can later use ORCID to populate information in other systems such as ScienceCV. Claiming your ORCID ID will only take a few moments. Navigate to orcid.org/sign-in to claim your account. We recommend using your personal email so that you will always have access to your ORCID account, regardless of your institutional affiliation. We also recommend selecting the default visibility to everyone so your profile is findable and so that you'll be able to link your ORCID with other online systems like SUNet. Once you've claimed your ORCID ID, it's time to link it to your SUNet. Navigate to authorize.stanford.edu to link your Stanford credentials to your ORCID record. The great news is that if you have publication information listed on the Stanford profile system, all your data will flow to your ORCID record. This is a big time saver. Be sure that you select the setting that allows Stanford to read and update your ORCID record in order to keep your ORCID record up to date using your Stanford profile. In addition to pulling information from Stanford profiles, there are a couple of other ways to add information to your ORCID record to keep it up to date. You can manually edit and add to your record using the Edit button and the Add button. Start by adding your name variations under the Names box. This will help ORCID to more accurately find your publications throughout your entire career. Concerned about privacy? Toggle between visibility settings to restrict who can see your additional information. Choose between Everyone, Trusted Parties such as Stanford, and Only Me. While you can add your works manually to your profile, you can also take advantage of the ORCID Search and Link feature, which allows other websites to autofill your ORCID record. For example, you have the option to allow Crossref to autofill your record. They supply the DOIs for most scholarly publications. Select the organization you would like to link with your record and simply click Authorize to allow the website to add to your record on your behalf. Now that you know how to claim, populate, and link your ORCID ID, let's talk about using it. There are many systems that can be linked to ORCID. Let's take a look at one commonly used profile system at Stanford Medicine, ScienceCV. If you're applying for or are affiliated with grants from federal agencies like NIH, you'll need to maintain your ScienceCV. Save time by allowing your ORCID record to populate your ScienceCV documents. Start by logging into your MyNCBI account. Navigate to ScienceCV. Click on the Edit button next to your name, and under Optional Information, click Add your ORCID ID to this profile. Now you can easily update ScienceCV using your ORCID data. Thank you for watching Lane Medical Library's ORCID Quickstart tutorial. If you would like to learn more about using your ORCID or have questions about this or other topics, contact us.